Hey everyone, welcome back to English Talkshow. Today, I'm going to share a very important lesson with you, how to train your brain to learn English faster. Let me ask you a question. How many times have you promised yourself, this year I'll become fluent in English, and then stopped after a few weeks? Don't worry, it happens to almost everyone. Today, I'm not going to tell you boring tips like watch movies or read books. Instead, I'll share 5 smart hacks, things you can do every day that really work. And I'll also explain a little about how your brain learns best, so you'll understand why these tricks are powerful. By the end of this video, you'll have tools that make English feel easier, more natural, and even fun. Ready? Let's go! Tip number 1. Stop translating. Most learners try to translate every word from their language into English. For example, when they want to say, the meeting was complicated, they first think it in their own language, then translate word by word. By the time they finish, the conversation has already moved on. Instead, connect English straight to meaning. Take the word complicated. Don't translate. Imagine trying to build furniture without instructions. That's complicated. Another one, frustrated. Instead of translating, remember the last time your Wi-Fi stopped working while you were on an important call. That feeling? That's frustrated. So, why this works? Your brain remembers faster when it links words to pictures and emotions, not to another language. So the next time you feel frustrated, the English word will pop into your head immediately. Tip number 2. Copy like an actor. Think about your favorite actor, maybe in a Hollywood movie. They sound natural because they've practiced copying accents, tone, and rhythm. You can do the same. Here's how. Pick a short clip, just 20 seconds. Play it, then repeat it, trying to match the speed, rhythm, and emotion. Don't worry if you miss some words. Focus on the music of English. For example, listen to a TED Talk line. Change is never easy, but it's always possible. Now, copy it exactly. Pause when they pause. Stress the same words. Why it works? Your brain is wired to copy patterns. Babies don't learn grammar first. They copy sounds. When you imitate, you're training your mouth and ear at the same time. So today, pick one line from a movie or YouTube video. Record yourself copying it, then compare. You'll be surprised how quickly you sound more natural. Tip number 3. Review words the smart way. Here's a big frustration. You learn 20 words today, and tomorrow you forget half of them. That's not because you're bad at English. It's just how memory works. The solution is simple. Don't study once. Review at the right times. Example, you learn the word distracted. Review it today, then again in 2 days, then after a week. Each time you review, the word sticks stronger in your memory. Think of it like watering a plant. If you pour a bucket of water once, the plant dies. But if you give small amounts regularly, it grows strong. A quick tip, keep 10 flashcards with you. Whenever you have 2 spare minutes, on the bus, waiting in line, check them. Those small reviews are what make words stay forever. Tip number 4, record yourself and listen. Now, this tip feels uncomfortable at first, but it's powerful. Record yourself speaking English. Pick a topic, like my weekend or my favorite place to relax. Speak for 1 minute, then listen back. You'll hear things you didn't notice while speaking. Maybe you said, he go, instead of he goes, or maybe you paused too much. Next time, record again, and try to improve just one thing. Why it works? Your brain learns best with feedback. Listening to yourself is like holding a mirror. It shows you where to improve. Athletes, singers, and even actors do this to get better. Why shouldn't you? Challenge: record 1 minute tonight. Keep those recordings. After a month, listen to your first one. You'll be amazed by your progress. Last but not least, make English part of your daily routine. Many learners say, "I don't have time to study." But here's the secret. You don't need extra time. You just need to attach English to something you already do. For example, if you drink tea or coffee every morning, make it your English time. Spend those 5 minutes listening to a short podcast. If you scroll Instagram, follow one English page and read a post out loud. This is called habit anchoring. It works because your brain loves routines. When you connect English to something you always do, it becomes automatic. Imagine this: brushing your teeth and listening to 5 new phrases. In 6 months, you've learned hundreds without ever finding time. Ask yourself, what's one daily habit you could link to English? Comment it below. I'd love to see your ideas. So there you go. 5 powerful tips to train your brain and learn English faster. Remember, every learner makes mistakes, but the difference is in how you practice and how you think. Stop translating, use your imagination, and connect English directly to meaning. If you apply these tips daily, even for just a few minutes, you'll notice real changes in the way you speak, listen, and understand. Fluency is not magic. It's training the brain step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope today's video helps you on your journey to confident English. See you again in another great video with more unique and practical tips just for you.